This is the saxophone reed necklace that I'm going to be making some matching earrings for, and these are the reeds that I'm going to be using. This isn't soup, but it is going to be amazing. Set it to boil. Now it's time to let them dry out. As you can see here, saxophone reeds vary in terms of not only size, but also the look. Some of them are much plainer, and some of them have this beautiful wood grain type design on them. So with that in mind, you can see that I selected two of these shorter saxophone reeds to match up with this design. I will also be treating them in a similar fashion as I did the original necklace so that they match up even more so. As you can see, this one's already got a hole in it, and I'm going to be doing the next one in the same spot. Already marked it off, and with my drill, properly placing it. We've got our holes. Okay, so we have our saxophone reeds here, and now that we have the holes inside them, we're just going to slip this link into the hole, being careful not to damage the reed, obviously. Oops. And sometimes they can be a little finicky. And there's one. And the reason I put two links is that if I were to only put one link, the hook would actually sit sideways. Now, if I want the hook to sit towards the back of the ear, I put a second link in, making sure that I've got the hook facing in the proper direction. And then that way I have the hook of the earring facing towards the back of the earring. And so now we have one. And we're going to do the second earring in the same way. Again, taking this link, opening it up, always opening it up sideways so that when I close it back up, it is closing properly. And then again, with the second link, and grabbing the earring hook, once again, making sure it is facing in the right direction, making sure this is closing properly. Again, sometimes they can be a little bit finicky, making sure it's properly closed. And again, facing the back of the earring, in case you're curious what the back of the saxophone reed looks like. This is it here. So it is an actual used saxophone reed, which, as you saw, were cleaned. And there you go. Beautiful pair of saxophone reed earrings.